Hey friends, welcome back to your channel. In 2026, you don't have to be an active trader to make money from crypto. You don't need to stare at the charts. You don't need to know what a moving average is. You just need to know where to put your crypto and let it end for you. So today I'm actually going to be giving you the top 5 ways to build crypto passive income in 2026. Ranks from the simplest to the most strategic. So whether you actually have um, $50 or $5,000 to start, um, there's actually something for you in this list. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to access most of these through CoinEx, one of the most best changes I personally use and recommend. Okay, so let's get right into it. Method one is the simplest, and the one I recommend every beginner to start with. um, CoinEx are flexible savings. um, if you actually hold USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, or most major cryptocurrencies, you can actually deposit them into CoinEx flexible savings and start earning interest immediately. The interest actually accumulates every single hour, and it actually gets um, credited to your account daily. Okay, the current APY on USDT is up to 80%, and on Bitcoin it's around 11 and 12%, and on Ethereum it's actually around 12 to 14%. Okay, so this is actually competitive rates, that actually outperform most of other centralized exchanges on the market today. So what really makes this method perfect for beginners is the flexibility. There's no lockup period, no minimum deposits. You can actually withdraw your funds instantly at any time with zero penalties. Okay, so your money is always accessible to you. Okay, so this is actually a passive income in the purest form. Okay, so deposit in and repeat. Okay, so nothing actually complex about this. So what you want to do is to head to CoinEx, using the link in the description. Then you want to navigate to AIM, then flexible saving, and you actually set up in under 5 minutes. Okay, so we're going to be moving to the next method, which is um, CoinEx fixed savings. The number two is CoinEx fixed savings, a step up from flexible. If you even want some higher yield and you want some need your funds for a set period, so with some fixed savings, you can actually commit your fund, your USDT or other assets for a fixed sum term, um, typically anywhere between 7 to 90 days, and in return you actually receive a higher locked in APY than flexible products. The longer the term, the generally the higher your rate. Okay, the trade-off is straightforward. You cannot access those funds early without a penalty. So this method is best suited for capital you have actually set aside, you know, uh, specifically for saving, not funds you might need for an unexpected opportunity. So just think of it like a crypto certificate of deposit. You know the term, you know the rates, you actually know exactly what you're actually going to be earning. Okay, so there's a predictability built in you, which a lot of people, particularly those coming from traditional banking background, you know, uh, find reassuring. So my recommendation: you want to keep some of your USDT in flexible savings for liquidity, and you want to put a portion, you won't be needing for a month or two into a fixed um, savings for higher yield. That actually balances um, everything. It actually gives you both income and assets. Okay, so we're moving to the next point. The method three actually moves us from pure savings into active income generation, automated trading using Wonder Trading connected to your CoinEx account. Okay, so here is the idea. Instead of your crypto sitting still earning interest, you want to put it into um, work through an automated trading bot that actually buys and sells according to a strategy, ideally generating returns above um, what a savings account could provide. Okay, so Wonder Trading offers several bot types you can run on CoinEx. We have the DCA bot, dollar cost averaging, which automatically buys your chosen crypto in regular interval, sorting out your average entry price over the time. Okay, and the second one we have is the grid bot profits from market volatility, by continually buying low and selling high within a certain price range. Okay, And the third one is the copy trading you feature, which actually lets you mirror the trades of professional traders with a verified um, track record. Okay, and the key advantage for passive income, um, once a bot is configured, it actually runs 24 hours a day automatically. You know, you actually set the parameters once, and let it works for you automatically. Okay, and right now, for a limited time, this may new users who actually sign up from via CoinEx, okay, get 1 month of wonder trading access completely free, plus up to 100 USDT in CoinEx bonuses. Okay, so that's a genuinely exceptional offer for getting started with automated trading at zero additional cost. Okay, so we'll be moving to the method 4. So the number 4 is staking. So this is where you lock or proof of staking cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, and BNB to help validate transactions on the network and earn reward in return. Okay, so staking reward vary by asset and network conditions, but typically range from 4% to 12% APY on major coins. So the difference from savings is that your reward come in the native cryptocurrency. So if you actually stake Ethereum, you earn more Ethereum, and this is best suited for assets you already planning to hold long term. You're actually aiming hits on coins you would have to anywhere. Staking effectively actually transforms static hold into a productive one. So CoinEx actually supports staking for several major assets. So you want to check the in section for the current available staking product and rates right there. The number 5 here is copy trading. So this is probably the most exciting option for complete beginners who want market exposure without any trading knowledge or experience. Okay, copy trading means you follow a professional trader's account and automatically replicate every trade they make proportionally to your portfolio size. Okay, so when they buy BTC at a specific price, you buy, and when they actually take profit, you also take profit. Okay, through WonderTrading copy trading marketplace, which actually connects directly to your CoinES account, you can actually browse verified traders to see their win rates, average return, and drawdown history. Okay, so you get to pick the traders that actually matches your risk and tolerance, and go ahead to activate copy mode. Okay, so the key to success with copy trading is your intelligence. So you want to look for traders with at least 6 months of verified history, consistent returns, rather than one huge win. Okay, so that's just the simple secret. So if you actually want to know more about wonder trading and how to actually connect it to your CoinES account, then you do want to check out this video. I'm also going to be leaving it in the description below. Remember that wonder trading free month offer through CoinES actually gives you access to this feature at no cost for the first month. Okay, so there's no better time to try it out than now. Okay, there you actually have it. Your 5 ways to build crypto passive income in 2026. CoinES flexible savings, CoinES fixed savings, and the automated trading with wonder trading. And we also have staking and the copy trading. Okay, so my personal recommendation for beginners is to start with flexible savings today. It actually takes 5 minutes. It's risk minimal, and you immediately see your daily interest hitting your account, so that first daily payment hits differently. Okay, and it actually makes the whole concept of passive income very real and very fast. Okay, so everything is actually accessible through CoinES. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description, and I'll also pin it in the comment section below. So remember, new users actually get up to 100 USDT in the bonuses, plus 1 free month of wonder trading with this link. Okay, so which of these 5 methods are you most interested in trying first? So drop it in the comment and like this video if it actually gives you value, and subscribe or hit the bell icon for weekly crypto content. And I'm gonna be seeing you in the next one. Thank you.